Welcome to the practice of Yoga Nidra. My name is Loren, and today I will be guiding you through a short but very effective NSDR practice that's non-sleep deep rest. Make your way into a comfortable, supportive position, lying down if that's available to you. Consider covering the body with a blanket, creating a cocoon of warmth for the body. As it relaxes down, the body temperature tends to drop. And take a deep, full breath in through the nose. Slowly exhale longer than your inhale. Again, deep breath in, feeling your belly expand and rise. Exhale slowly and leisurely, taking your time to let go of the breath. Emptying completely, feeling the body settle as the breath leaves. Begin to take notice of the edges of your body. And see if in your own way you can invite a sense of heaviness to the outline of the body. Welcoming a sense of relaxation that begins to whisper on the borders of your body as you sink heavier and heavier. And gently glide your attention towards the face. And as I move through different body parts, let there be an invitation there for you to experience the body parts not with the mind, but instead with feeling and sensing. And now move that awareness down to the base of your throat, sensing into your experience at the base of the throat. Right shoulder joint, right elbow, right wrist, right thumb, right index finger, right middle finger, right ring finger, right little finger, right wrist, right elbow, right shoulder joint, base of the throat, left shoulder joint, left elbow, left wrist, left thumb, left index finger, left middle finger, left ring finger, left little finger, left wrist, left elbow, left shoulder, base of the throat, center of the chest, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, base of the throat, mind's eye center, and with your awareness on the mind's eye center, also welcome in the awareness of your natural breath. Watching your natural inhales and exhales. And then, if it would feel good to you, could you begin to imagine in your own unique way that as you inhale, you breathe in through the mind's eye center. It travels down through the brain and the brainstem, down both sides of your neck, traveling down around the heart and the lungs, and then all the way into the belly and gut area. And as you exhale, the breath reverses and comes back up. Inhaling through the mind's eye, following down the path of the vagus nerve, from the brainstem, down both sides of your neck, to the heart, the lungs and diaphragm, into the belly, and exhaling back out. And let the breath go and allow your soft attention to move behind your forehead. And we'll rest here for just a moment in pure awareness. There is nothing else you need to do here. Just rest. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale, sigh it out the mouth. Inhale again deeply through the nose, awakening the body with the breath. Exhale out the mouth. Begin to notice your body on the surface below you. Notice the parts of your body that are touching the support below you. Notice the temperature of your skin and the touch of air on your skin. And become aware of how the body feels. Noticing your sense of relaxation now compared to the beginning of this practice. Lastly, notice the quality of your mind. What feels different here from this short practice of Yoga Nidra? What feels as though it's improved by practicing conscious relaxation? And begin to slowly awaken the body, moving as slow as possible so that you continue to hold on to this feeling of deep relaxation, letting go of the need to hurry or rush, or to immediately go back to the state of mind you were in before practice. See if you can move as slow as possible so that you can enter back into the flow of your life with more purpose and intention. Taking as much time as you need to slowly awaken the body. As your practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete.